Hello guys, this is Anna from swiftbanners.com. In this quick tutorial we'll create a gallery with next and previous buttons instead of using the standard gallery navigation in Google Web Designer. Obviously they are just simple examples just to show you the result without unnecessary talking. In Google Web Designer I've already placed the three simple objects here: right arrow, left arrow and a background. Now we need to add our gallery from the components section by dragging it onto our workspace. Yes, and now we need to set its size to 214 by 172. These are also the dimensions of my pre-designed images that I want to use in my gallery. I'm now aligning the gallery to the center, and now in the properties area we will be going to need to add these images by dropping them here. I'm dragging them from another screen. We'll need to add two tab areas now from the components section to sit above our arrows. We'll rename them to distinguish from one another, and we'll resize them to the required dimensions. Just like that. And now for each of the tab areas we'll be adding an event. For our right arrow, right click on the right tab area, add event, tab area, touch and click, swipeable gallery, go forwards, click here, OK. And for our left arrow, right click on the left tab area, add event, tab area, touch and click, swipeable gallery, go backwards, click here and OK. As you can see, here it works as intended. We can also add a quick effect to make our arrows stand out a bit. Let me make the tab areas not visible for a while. Like that. And we need to add our arrows to groups by choosing our arrow layer and clicking Edit, Create a Group. Then change the name of each group. I'm changing my group names to left arrow group and right arrow group. Yeah, that's the left arrow group. Now right click and edit our left arrow group. We only have one element in our group. Let's add two keyframes here at 0.5 and 1 second. At the 0.5 seconds, let's move the arrow to the left a bit. Now add an event at 1 second mark and a label at 0 second mark. Double click the event and go to Timeline, go to and Play, Group 2, Label 1 and click OK. Let's go back to our workspace by clicking Div. I'll make the left arrow not visible for a while and right click and edit the right arrow. And make the same for the right arrow. And again two keyframes at 0.5, move the arrow to the right a bit, add an event and label, double click the event, Timeline, go to and Play, Group 1, Label 1 and click OK. Now let's check it. Arrows are moving as I wanted. But we need to bring the tab areas to the front in order to make them clickable. Let me quickly do that, make them visible and drag on top of the rest of the layers. Yes, works as needed. That's it guys, thanks for watching.